We've created 123feed.com. It's a website which you can access via your mobile or via your laptop, and it allows you to create your own recipes. When you go to the website, you first have to log in. If you're new to 123feed.com, you could click register and create an account. It's free, but you only have to validate your email. But when you log in, you will come to the landing page. Also step 1 of 123feed, and you first have to select your animal type. So do you want to make feed for broilers? You will get the 3 phases that are related to broilers. Do you want to make feed for pullets? So that's from 0 to 16 weeks. Or you want to make feed for layers from 16 weeks till the end of life. The next step will be to select the available ingredients. And there's a list that varies per country, because each time we set up 123feed, we look to the ingredients available in your country, and these are the ingredients for Ghana, and you select what you have available. So regardless of price, even if ingredients are really expensive, they could still in some method improve the recipe. For example, oils are always expensive, but they have a really high energy density, so it could make the total recipe cheaper because you only have to use a little bit. So select all the ingredients that you need and then click to step 3. In step 3 you have to provide the prices, and you can fill in the prices in your local currency, so Ghana shilling in your example, and you can decide what volume unit you want to use. So per kilogram is an option, or per 50 kilograms, as long as all the ingredients are in the same volume unit. So if you use 50 kilogram for the concentrate, also use 50 kilogram for maize and for limestone and all those ingredients. That already gives you a result. At standard it's given optimal, and it explains how much to use of each ingredient. So that's all you have to do to create your personal mixing instructions. I will zoom in on the results page, as it's really important how to interpret the results page. And first of all, you can change the feed performance. As we discussed previously, you have the basic, optimal and high performance. Standard, it's set to optimal, but by clicking on basic or high performance, it recalculates the recipes and shows you the results. Then you can change the mixing quantity. So if you want to make, for example, 500 kilograms, change it to 500 and it will show you how much to use to make 500 kilograms. Or if you want to make more, it changes that as well. You don't have to do the calculations. Then you see the phase of production. So this is from 16 weeks till 5% of production, and because we selected layer, below will also be the layer 1 and layer 2 recipe. Then you will see the ingredients and the required quantities. So to make this pre-layer feed, you need limestone, wheat bran, maize bran, etc. To make 1000 kilograms. And on the right hand side will be the quantities, how much you need to use of those products. So you can instantly see that for maize bran you need 250 kilograms, and for the concentrate 50 kilograms. So that all adds up to 1000 kilograms. And at last you have the cost price, and that's for the volume unit used in step 3. So if you did everything per kilogram, then this will be the price per kilogram. If you did everything per ton, then this will be the price per ton. So depending on what you selected.